Hey guys, today I would like to show you how to use your Samsung phone and what are the top 5 things you shouldn't do or else you're going to regret. And then you're going to switch back to maybe this phone, alright? I'm going to teach you how to do it and teach you which are the things that you shouldn't do. And if you stay all the way to the end, I'll give you one more tips, okay? One more bonus that you shouldn't do on this phone that will make you regret. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure you do so. And then I will have weekly informations for you to take it away, and you're gonna love your Samsung phone. All right, so let's get the video rolling. So there's so many things that you should do with this phone, but there's so many things you shouldn't do when using this phone as well too. First thing is, you have to put the SIM card first before start setting up the phone. All right, SIM card first. Do not do other way around, because the phone will restart by themselves, and then if you already put your Google account in there, they will have Google lock instantly, just like that. The thing is, you have to have an SD card. So the SD card is very important. It's because that it will actually prolong your life expectancy for phones. So if you have SD cards, you actually will last much longer. Your SD cards is all your pictures, your videos, and everything. Now your phone actually will last much longer if you have the SD card. And make sure you get the right SD card, not the wrong SD card. Make sure it is the right SD card, alright? Number 3 is actually the screen protectors. So as you know, the screen protector is already on the phone, right? A lot of people will say you know what, I'm gonna take this out and I'm gonna apply a glass screen protector. I would not highly recommend you do that because you will regret. Because the glass screen protector may not work with your ultrasonic fingerprints. A lot of people out there selling very cheap price, apparently they're not good. A lot of brand right now, they just doesn't work. They don't even work with my ultrasonic fingerprints, right? So I highly suggest you to keep the screen protector on. It doesn't matter, because I think this screen protector is not that bad anyway. To my opinion, it's not that bad anyway, and I think you should stick with this screen protector. Do not remove it, or else you're going to regret. Alright. Number 4 is, do not buy third-party cases. Buy the original case, okay? Anything that is Samsung brand case that will help you to, I don't know, it's more safer to get those cases instead of third-party case, because they're just not safe. And if something happened to your phone, who knows, right? So do not get a third-party case. Number 5 is actually earphones, okay? Make sure that you actually using the original AKG earphones, not the third parties or not AirPods and things like that, because these earphones are $150 worth and the quality is really nice. And if you turn on your Dolby Atmos sound system, it's actually pretty good. It's a bonus. The final thing I would highly suggest you guys is take a look at the camera and learn more about the camera, okay? It's not that hard. If you turn on your camera, there's menus, there's settings, there's everything. Just take some time, take a look at the cameras. Like this thing right here, because there's an ultra wide angle lens, there's a Pro Mode. So Pro Mode, basically you can adjust your shutter speed, your aperture, everything, right? And then there's this live focus, super slow-mo, hyperlapse, things like that. Take a look at those, okay? It's really good, and the filter is really nice as well too. If you look at say live focus to take a picture, it's actually way better just using automatic and then take a picture. All right, always use live focus to take a picture. Doesn't matter, it's just this close you take a picture, or that far take a picture, use a live focus. It's actually way better. Okay, something like that. Okay, so this is a bonus tip for you. All right, subscribe my channel, share this video, and make sure share to everyone, your friend, your family, everyone. All right, have a nice day. My name is Calvin, and I will see you next week. All right, bye bye, peace out.